Hey guys, welcome back. This is Brian from the BTNHD, and yes, we're continuing our December 2016 PC build, codename special build, and it's all about the power supply, the PSU, and we are installing the Rosewill Arc M650, which is the 80 plus bronze. Super excited about this. What can I say? It's a power supply. I should have got the one with the modules, meaning that this cable you could just plug in, play with the ones you want, but it's okay. It has one fan. Awesome. Cool. Has all the necessary cables that we need to get our computer up and running. Super excited. And we have a heavy gauge power cable, and we have some tie straps, and we have the manual. Cool. So I'm going to put everything inside the box. I'm going to get our Striker M Rosewill computer tower, put it on top of the table, and we're going to insert this guy. So again, we're continuing our last quarter of the year build. All right, guys, so we have our computer tower. It is looking official. It looks beautiful. I could just stay here forever and look at it. How cool is that? So we have our Corsair H75. That's the last thing that we did on this build. We have our Gigabyte 970 motherboard, and woo, gorgeous. All right, so like I always say, make sure you keep everything that comes with all your computer parts, especially your computer tower, because the computer tower comes with a bunch of screws, and the manual tells you which screw goes with what. And gotta make sure you pick out the power supply or the PSU screws. Okay, now a lot of you got on me because on my last two builds I placed the fan up. You are capable of doing that, and the reason why I do that is because the location where I have my computers, I don't really get a lot of air circulation at the bottom, so that's the reason why I have to place it up. And a lot of my builds, I normally don't use graphics cards, so and the graphics card fan is normally facing down. So if you have your PSU facing this way, you got the air coming down and then the PSU, and it just collides. So on this build, because I am putting a graphics card, I'm going to be putting the power supply with the fan facing down. Okay, so you guys don't yell at me. So we are going to move these two cables because pretty soon we're going to be doing all the hookup cable management. And we're just going to place this guy right here. Awesome. And we're just going to slide it in there. Awesome. Gorgeous. Now, next thing that you need to do is make sure that everything is lined up in the back. Okay. And I'm going to turn the computer a little bit because I want you guys to see the back of it. Look at that. How beautiful is that? It's gorgeous. Even though I'm not touching anything inside, I'm going to hook up my ESD and hook it up somewhere. There it goes. Okay. And I'm going to get all my screws together. Where's the other screw? I think it's underneath the power supply. There it goes. And we're just going to start screwing stuff in. Okay, so I got all four screws screwed in. They're not fully completely in. I just want to make sure they all lined up before I go in. Don't do one final screw in. All right, so we're done hooking up our Rosewill Arc M650 power supply inside our December build. Super happy about it. I think on the next video we are going to install the memory and then the graphics processor, and then we're going to continue with the build to get it over with. Leave comments right below. Don't forget about hitting that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.